how to add WhatsApp chat to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you guys can add WhatsApp chat to your Shopify store. So simply open up your Shopify store, and now from over here, click on the left side where you guys see the option for applications. Now click on recommended applications. Now click on Shopify App Store, and then after that wait for a few seconds, and then that's gonna take you guys over to this page. Now from over here, type in WhatsApp chat, and then as soon as you guys type in WhatsApp chat, you guys will see WhatsApp chat appear in the searches as well. Click on that, and now it's gonna take you guys over here. Now from over here, you guys can choose to add in any applications that you want. So you guys have many different plugins for WhatsApp chat. You guys can explore these plugins if you want to, but my personal favorite is this particular plugin called WhatsApp chat plus card recovery, because this has the most reviews, and they also offer a 45-day free trial so that you guys could simply check out their application, and if you like it, you guys can of course use it. So to add it, click on add application, and then this particular application is going to be added over to your Shopify store. So guys, this is how you guys can add in WhatsApp chat on your Shopify store. Very easy, only takes just a minute. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care, till next time, goodbye.